Alright, bienvenidos. Esta es para el curso B, lección 7, loops with harvest. And this is Mr. Manny. This is me, right? My face. And I'm broadcasting straight out of my school where I teach. And I'm at Los Robles, Ronald McNair Academy in East Palo Alto. So, hey, this video is for my students. But if you're programming at another school, I mean, you can watch me. It's totally cool. Ooh, watch me. Yeah, that's old. All right, so here we go. We're going to move on. So we're going to be working with loops, which means, to me, what it means, I haven't even done this yet, correct? Because they're not green yet. I'm going to do them live with you, or, well, it's not live, but in the moment it's live. I'm not going to edit it. We're going to be using the repeat block because that's what, from my understanding, we usually use in code.org for for loops. So vamos a tener que usar el bloque de repetir. Right, we're going to have to use it. And it's just easier. Why use more blocks when you don't have to? It's just like if you knew magic, like would you still clean up your room the old-fashioned way, or would you use magic? I think I would use magic. I wish I could use magic now for these videos. But here we go. Vamos a continuar. So we have 3. So I got 3 inside, and so I'm gonna run it. We also have to think, was it even necessary to use a repeat block? I didn't have to, but it's already in my mind. Like, I'm going to start using it, and it's there, so I should use it, right? Why work harder? Work smarter. I don't remember who said that, but I've probably been told that a lot of times in my life. So some of the times the number in here is not going to match up with how many times you need to use it. And if you click on it, you can change it. But weirdly enough, we need to pick up 4 pieces of corn. And like I've covered in previous videos, if you don't tell, what's your name, Laurel, to pick up the corn, is it? No, that's the one with the diamonds. This is just a farmer. If you don't tell her to pick it up, she won't pick it up. All right. And so we move on. Here's a video. Now lo que está pasando, están introduciendo el concepto de loops, de repetir, right? But you can watch it. I'm not going to watch it because I don't want this video to be long, right? Like I've said in a lot of my videos. So I'm just trying to move on. So here we go. What I see now, they're limiting the amount of blocks you could use. Before it was 7. Now it's just 4. So I'm probably just going to use the amount that it's going to need. So this is the same as the one I just did, right? I think so. My memory's not that bad. So 4 times, run it. 3. Success. And then we just keep moving. See how many times I've done that? I've done 3,938 lines of code. That's not bad. Whoa, so now it's longer, look. And they already left it here. So I have to find the bug in the code. So I already know it's going to be this because it's down and pick up corn. But how many pieces of corn do I have to pick up? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this has to be 6. I'm going to run it. 2, 3. Man, where does she put all that corn, though, when she picks it up? That's a lot of corn. She doesn't just put it in her pocket, does she? I don't know. Maybe she does. Maybe she got big pockets. Because I don't see a bag on her. So we're going to do the same thing, right? Es casi igual. Sur, recoger el elote. Pero cuando llega al final, tiene que ir. She has to go east and then pick up corn. So why don't I use a repeat block? Because there's no need, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then pick one up because it'd be more blocks. So then I run it. And so I know this course is designed for first graders, and sometimes we might not exactly know what we're supposed to be doing. So that's why I'm making these videos. But if you're kind of at it by yourself, you can click on
Look at all this corn. Can you pick it all by yourself?
Right? You can click on the play button and it'll read the text for you. So now, look, they extended it. Last time I was here, now it's way out there. I know I'm going to use 2 of these. And I know I need to go down and pick up corn. And I know I need to go east and pick up corn. But how many times? Is it 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I don't have to change these. I run it. But you always got to count. So what's 6 plus 6? You got it. That was like my attempt at trying to be like clues. And then we'll continue. So we're only about halfway, right? We want to get to that flag. It's just like a race. Or, yeah, like a race. So they changed it. Before it went way down here, now it's up here. So I think it still goes out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it goes down only 4. So this needs to be changed to 4. Right? So we have to do a lot of counting. And that's why I like doing these programs with my students. Or this activity and these kind of things. Because we're learning how to do some elementary programming using block this. But we're also having to count. We're having to think, problem solve. So I hope that's what we're doing. And then you could also just flip-flop back and forth and watch me do it and listen to me talk, and then you do it, and it's totally cool. You will need 1 block, right? Let's see.
You will need 1 move west block and 1 move north block to finish this puzzle.
All right, so that's all it says I'm going to need is just 1 of these. And look, they even gave me less blocks. So I know I'm going to use this, right? 2 times. 1 west, 1 north. Underneath each of those movement blocks is a corn, but it's not going 5. I don't think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is 5. Another one is 1, 2, 3. The other one is 3. And 5 plus 3 is. You got it. Made me cry even. Just. And then we continue. Look at that. We're breezing through it. So I already know we're using 2 replete blocks, right? So, and we're going to move east for sure, right? It's that direction. And then down, which is south. And then we're going to pick up the corn at each path that we're going. But how many times? I don't know. So we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's cool. And then 1, 2, 3. So this is changed to 3. And just like the last problem, what's 5 plus 3? You got it. Or if now you just figured it out, you got it. All right, we continue. Maybe they flip the script on us. Maybe they give us a harder one. Oh, there's a challenge one. So I tell my students you don't have to do the challenge, but I mean, we're in distance learning time. What else you got going on? So it's only going to take a couple of seconds. If you've been watching me do these a couple times already now, you've already got it figured out. So we're going west, and then we're going south, and then we're going east, right? If we'd have gone south again, we make a square. In each direction, we're picking up the corn. Corn, corn, or in Spanish, elote, maíz. 4, so that's 4, right? Count 4. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 3. And then this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Ooh, they try to trick you. Look, they're like, oh, it's not that far out, so you wouldn't have to do it. But you do. 4, 1, 2, 3. I hope I did it right. Alright, so continuamos. Ya estamos en 12. Nomás nos falta 2 más este y el tercer, la que sigue, y entonces ya vamos a terminar con esta lección. So vamos a la ¿cuál dirección? Y, right? Y, este, el oeste, el norte, in, and another in. So 1, 2, 3. Este tiene que decir 3. porque va a tener que recoger los elotes 3 veces. 1, 2, 3. Entonces va a ir al norte 2. Va a ir a los Estados Unidos esta persona. Y digo eso porque la mayoría de los países donde hablan el idioma de español son pues en los Américas, ¿no? There's one, or I'm pretty sure there's more than one in across the pond, but most of the Spanish-speaking world is on this side, my side, west side. Okay. So here we go. Usamos los bloques de repetir 2 veces. So we're going this way, right? You can bring the drag the block and be like, yeah, that way. So west. También, you can be like, which one is it? I want to go this way, so that's the direction. So cool, right? Esa es una manera de hacerlo. 1, 2, 3, 4. So aquí va a ser 4 y para abajo 1, 2, 3, 4. Ojalá ya porque teníamos mucho práctica con los bloques de repetir en esta lección, que entendemos cómo usarlos ya, right? Like I think we have a pretty good understanding of how to use them by now. We've been having to use it throughout this whole lesson, pretty much from lesson 4. And that's it. Y ya estuvo, ya terminamos. Y eso es todo para esta lección. I'll be making more videos as the year goes on. And we're going to be learning together because I haven't gone this far and done it with my class like I'm doing now. So good luck at home. Class is over. You can go home now.